Hello everyone, and welcome to a new Maverick Excelsior tutorial. This time, we will learn how to generate a link so your customers can explore your models interactively. The steps in this tutorial can be found in our website's documentation area, under the section Publishing Your Model. Among the topics covered there, you will find information on how to embed your models in an existing website, or how to share interactive models hosted in your FTP. In this video, however, we will focus on a simpler method, based on Google Drive. To generate an interactive link, go to your Google Drive and upload the model that we exported in the previous tutorial. Drag and drop the WebEx file and wait for the upload to be ready. Next, we must create a shared link. Right-click the uploaded file, select Share and then again click Share. Note that it is crucial to select anyone with the link under General Access. Once done, select Copy Link for the link to be copied to your clipboard. Now go to a text file and paste the link. The part we're interested in from this link is the central ID. As explained in our website's documentation, you will need to concatenate the file ID after this URL prefix here. This would be the complete link that you can send to your customers by email, WhatsApp, or any other means. Now you can copy the link on your web browser in order to view the model. Paste the link and hit Enter and wait for the viewer to load. From there, the model can be explored interactively. We hope that you will find this process easy enough. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorial.